What's up guys, my name is Joe and today we've got a bit of a dream team going on. Alex Costa is in the chair today and I'm sure many of you guys know him by now. He runs a men's lifestyle channel that is growing super fast and covers everything from clothing to grooming to hair and all the bits in between. Now the video of my haircut in Daniel's salon is going to be coming out on his channel very soon, so make sure to head over his way and show him some love. I've got Alex's channel linked down below. And as you can probably tell, this is the next haircut episode that I've uploaded, coming straight from Daniel Alfonso's salon based in Hollywood, LA. As for the haircut, Alex is currently experimenting with growing out his sides a bit, so the aim of the game here is to tidy it all up and make the whole cut look as fresh as possible. Daniel is just cutting the ends off Alex's hair to remove any potential damaged strands and split ends. By removing any potential damage, immediately makes hair look much denser and more thick, so much healthier basically. So for those who don't know, Alex's hair is actually naturally pretty curly, and he gets it permanently straightened, I think with a Brazilian blowout, ever so often, which makes his hair straight. I just thought it'd be interesting to mention so that you guys watching can see the difference a straightening treatment can make. That said, Daniel is using a diffuser on the end of his blow dryer to bring back a bit of wave into the finished result. A diffuser helps to add some cool texture and wave along with building volume into the hair. It's time for myself to take over and give Alex a sick style with one of my new favorite products, Monarch Matte Paste by BluMaan. You can check out Monarch or any other BluMaan products in the description down below. The aim here is to give Alex that long-lasting volume that Daniel built in with the blow dryer. The product is light enough to work with the wave Alex has, and it's strong enough to allow me to shape it and make his hair look awesome. There you go. In my opinion, the longer sides and the wave on top is working really well. This is a great option for you guys out there who don't like taking the sides down too short. You can still end up with something awesome that looks super clean, even with slightly longer sides.